Hello friends, my name is Advik and welcome back to my channel Firefly Advik. Friends, in today's video, I will show you how to make a simple mirror illusion. So watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. Take a paper which is yellow on both sides. Then make a big circle with pencil and some circular object. Make 4 more smaller circles inside the big circle using a coin. Then it will look like this. Now cut the bigger circle and 4 small circles with the help of scissors. After cutting, it will look like this. One big circle having 4 smaller holes inside it. Then fold the paper along these lines in backward direction. After folding, it would appear like this. Now fold the middle part upward and outer part downward. After folding, it would appear like this. Now our illusion is ready, so we will see it in the mirror. We keep it in front of the mirror at a table like this. As you can see, that smiley on the table looks happy. But in the mirror, it looks sad. Let's see what happens if we rotate it. Now Smiley on the table looks sad, while in the mirror, it looks happy. Thank you for watching my video. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.